Hello everybody, welcome back to another Simplex Studio video. Today we're going to be doing a studio tour. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna get right into it. First we have this 100Hz 1080p on monitor that I got for about $100 at Walmart. It's snappy, I like it. Looks really good, it's very nice. I have a 75Hz LG monitor. I'm not really too sure what model number this is, but all I know is 75Hz. Next to that, I have a Alienware 15R2 2015 edition. This is a gaming laptop. This is actually my main work computer that I use for live streaming and video editing. I will get onto the other computers in a minute that I have or own. It's a really great computer, go-to-go computer that I bring with me if I'm going on like trips or something. Right above that, I have a 40-inch Hisense Roku TV. I just mostly use it as extended display. The speakers sound pretty good on it. I believe it's 4K. It has 3 HDMI outputs, and it looks pretty good. As you can see, I scratched the polarizing film. I'm not really sure how I did that, but I did. I managed to do it twice, one right there and then a couple right there. Yeah, but hopefully that won't affect the TV too much. It doesn't really bother me. I really don't notice it most of the time. Right below that, besides the Alienware 15R2, I have this unbranded TV that just mostly glitches out a lot, even though I have a VHF UHF antenna hooked up there, so I'm not really sure why it's doing that, but it's the brand Digital Lifestyles. I'll show you the boot screen. That's the turning off screen, and then this is the boot screen. Please wait. I ain't got no time. We got this TV for free at like some crackhead donation place. I'm not too sure where we got it, but we got it for free, and yeah. Speakers sound like crap.
The iPhone app makes it easy.
And then above that, I have a Sony speaker. I'm not really too sure what model that is. It came with the theater system that I will show you in a minute. Right next to that, I have an Amazon Kindle Fire HD 10th edition. I don't know. This thing is like, I accidentally shattered it on the way back up here. I brought it back up from Florida and I shattered the thing. Luckily, it's still working. But yeah, it's a nice little tablet. They're like $30 off of eBay. It's the this thing is so slow. It's the Fire HD 10th generation, so I was right. I mostly use this tablet as a Wi-Fi router because I have nothing else to use it as, so yeah, that's just a little Wi-Fi router. Actually, look all the way to the left. I have another monitor. This is the HP. This is the HP 2970, I think, X. This mostly sits on a mirror screen dongle, mostly for like if I want to mirror my screen or whatever. I have it sitting on the top of this HP OfficeJet Pro 6978. It's funny because this is a brand HP. This is the brand HP. So that's kind of a coincidence. This printer came out in 2016 and it was later discontinued in 2022. Literally works perfectly fine. I'm not sure why they threw it out, but right below that I have a Sony digital home theater Bravia system. Right next to that I have a 50-watt sub. Got this thing for like $5 at the Goodwill. Bought it with voice crackle, but it's not really that bad, so I bought it. It was $5. I couldn't turn it down. It's just there for RGB lighting. Besides from that not working, below there I have my 5 million handheld collection, I should say. There's like 8 radios there. I'll get to those things in a minute. Down here I have a CyberPower PC with a MSI GeForce GTX 1660 with a AMD FX 6300 CPU. I know it's horrible, it's very outdated. It's on a Gigabyte board, GA78LMT USB 3 R2. Has 32 gigabytes of RAM, and it's hooked up to a bunch of crap that is very unnecessary. It has this cool like RGB lighting right here, and it also has it on the front panel. Something funny about this PC, when I first got it, the CPU fan was making a loud clicking noise, and I was not having it. I was really annoyed. So what I did was I took a fan out of a mini fridge, and I wired it up, and it works great. The only thing I can't do is just control the fan speed, but I don't really care about that, honestly. As long as it works, it works. With no fan, my computer would not run, because there's no cooling for the CPU. This is where all the wired, cluttered mess is. There are a whole bunch of dangerous wires under here. This is the main power supply for everything. If you were to click that switch, everything would shut off, including the second power supply that is hooked up to this, which is not really supposed to run two power supplies together, but you just gotta know what you're doing. Down here I have LED lights that actually match the background of my logo. So you see it's purple, blue. Alright, I got a background green, but yeah, it's supposed to be blue, purple, blue, green, and then I did have a light bar that is purple, but it foamed down. I'm not sure why it's like that. It was hot glued there, but it randomly fell down one day. Over here I have letters from my teachers from 8th grade. I have a tri-speaker stereo setup that hooks up to this sub, but it's currently unhooked because my amplifier recently died on me. That's my name, in case if y'all ever wondered. That's a drawing my mom made of me and I. I'm not really sure. Oh, there's a fake plant back there and some just little decorations that I put there because my walls are very plain. I have the God dang it, the Baofeng Radio Bible, a lamp that says, "Welcome to the Simplex Radio Studio." Studio documents, cluttered mess of wires, cinematic shots.